Hello and welcome to TechExpress. Today we're going to be diving into a beginner's guide on how to use Rumble into 2023. So Rumble has been gaining popularity as a video platform offering unique features for content creators and viewers alike. Whether you are here to watch, share, or create content, this tutorial will walk you through the basics of Rumble. Let's get started. First of all, the introduction of this app. Rumble is a video platform that allows users to upload, share, and monetize their videos. It is known for its creator-friendly policies and diverse range of content. First, head over to the Rumble's website of rumble.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and easy. We'll be leaving you guys a link down below in the description so you can all get started totally for free. So then later on, navigate into the Rumble interface. Once you have logged in, you wanted to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Rumble interface. The homepage displays trending videos, categories, and the latest content from the community. You'll find navigation options to browse videos, manage your channel, and access different features on the site. Check out here into the left part where you have the home, my feed, browse, edit pics, trending, library, watching history. It feels like we are somehow into YouTube, but something a little bit more different. To the upper side, we have different feeds, gaming, live, sports, viral, and much more elements. Now, uploading and managing your videos. To upload a video, click into the upload bar icon that you see the green section is using here. You can drag and drop your video file. You can add a title, description, and select a category. Rumble offers options from licensing your content, so choose the one that best suits your goals. After uploading, you can manage your videos in your channel dashboard, where you can track the views, engagement, and earnings. Now, exploring the content and engaging with the community. Now, Rumble is not just for creators, of course. It's a platform for discovering a wide array of videos. You can search for content, follow your favorite channels, and engage with the community through comments and likes. Participating in the community is a great way to discover new content and connect with other users. So here you can comment about all the stuff that you see here into the videos. You can check out the comments below. You can see the description. There's of course links. There's a follow button, the like, dislike, comments, share, saved, and beam. And into the right part, you have related video that can help you if you're interested in something here. So as you can see, guys, Rumble is not so hard to use, and of course it's a really great application to start earning money. Here the best part is that you don't need it to have, let's say, like a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view. You can start earning money today, when the very first day when you started to upload, share, and license your videos. So you want to make sure that when you upload your video, you are the maximum files of 15 gigabytes, and that will be actually it. And there you have it, guys, a basic guide to getting started with Rumble into the 2023 and 4. Whether you are here to create, share, or simply enjoy the videos, Rumble offers a platform to explore and express your creativity, guys. So if this guide was helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Express for more tutorials. Any questions or tips about using Rumble, you can share them to the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Enjoy your journey on Rumble. Stay tuned for more tech insight and guides. See you soon.